Hello, Bright Minds. Welcome back to BrightMind CBSE Class, where learning becomes easy, smart, and fun. I hope you are doing great and ready for the another exciting lesson. Today we are starting a brand new journey of English. Before we jump into nouns, verbs, tense, or any other grammar topics, let's first understand one simple question. What is grammar? Okay, grammar is the set of rules that help us use words correctly to make meaningful sentence. Think of grammar as the traffic rules of language. See, as you can see in this picture, there are so many cars. Okay, so and imagine there were no traffic rules. Okay, cars could go anywhere or anytime, right? So there would be confusing, right? So same in language also. So grammar help us to put words in the correct order so that our meaning is clear. Okay, so grammar isn't just rule to memorize for a test, it's the structure that makes your sentence make sense. Think of it. Like, for example, I will write some words here. Okay, so I will write my name is Ria. Okay, so imagine these words are bricks. Okay, but grammar is the cement that holds these words together. This is the work like grammar is work like a cement that holds the words together. Without it, even the smartest ideas come out sounding confusing or wrong. If we read this sentence correctly, my name is Ria. It is clear, okay, that my name is Ria. So let's see an example. I will write some words over here. Example. So let's take some words. So I will write here school goes Ria every day. 2. Okay. So can we understand them? Are you understanding this sentence? Yes, we can understand the words, but we cannot understand the meaning of this sentence. Okay, why? Because they are not in the correct order, right? Let's arrange them properly. So we can arrange them it. Okay, so I will write Ria goes to school every day, right? Now the sentence is clear, right? So grammar help us arrange words correctly. So why do we need grammar? We use grammar whenever we speak, write, read, understand English. For example, without correct grammar, if I write here, she go to school every day. Or with correct grammar, she goes to school every day. Right? The difference is only one word. Right? But which word? Go or goes. Right? But that small change makes the sentence grammatically correct. So, in this sentence, which is correct? This is the correct grammatically correct sentence. Okay. Grammar is like a building a house. For example, when we build a house, whenever we build a house, we need some bricks, right? Doors, windows, or a proper structure to build a house. Okay, right? Same way, a sentence also needs some different parts. Okay, in a sentence, we also need some different parts, or each word has a particular job, and understanding these jobs is the foundation of grammar. Okay, so that's all for the today's lesson. Hope you understood the importance of grammar. In next lesson, we will learn so many topics related to grammar. If you enjoyed this video and learned from this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to BrightMind CBSE. Till the time, keep learning, keep practicing and remember, English is not just a subject to study, it is a skill to use every day. Happy learning. Thank you.